Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and learning how to implement Zero Trust with Cisco in a step-by-step guide. In today's ever-evolving digital landscape, traditional security measures are no longer enough to protect our networks and data. That's where Zero Trust comes in, a security model that assumes no trust even within the network. And with Cisco's comprehensive solutions, you can easily implement this model and ensure the utmost security for your organization. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Zero Trust? Simply put, it's a security approach that requires all users, devices, and applications to be verified and authorized before granting access to any resources. This eliminates the inherent trust that was previously placed within the network, making it harder for attackers to infiltrate and cause harm. So how do we implement Zero Trust with Cisco? It's a four-step process that begins with identifying and classifying your network assets. This includes all devices, applications, and data that are critical to your organization's operations. Next, you'll need to segment your network, creating smaller zones that can be more easily monitored and controlled. The third step is to establish strict access control policies, ensuring that only authorized users and devices can access specific resources. Cisco's Identity Services Engine, ISE, makes this process seamless, allowing you to set up policies based on user identity, device type, and location. And finally, you'll need to continuously monitor and analyze your network for any threats or anomalies. Cisco's Network Assurance Engine, NAE, does just that, providing real-time visibility and threat detection. By implementing Zero Trust with Cisco, you'll not only enhance your network security, but also gain greater visibility and control over your network. And as threats continue to evolve, Cisco's solutions are constantly updated to keep your organization protected. Don't wait any longer. Protect your network with Zero Trust and Cisco today. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.